How y'all doing? This is Brian at B&B Exotics. I wanted to showcase one of my male blizzards, possible het tremper. He's being test bred this season. He's got a cool paradox spot on the back. If he pans out to be pure blizzard, he will be a very valuable animal. If he doesn't, then there's nothing wrong with blazing blizzards. They're all sweet in my book. Well, I just wanted to shoot this video. Look at that cool paradox spot on his back. He's gaining his weight. He was a little slow eater at first, but since I've had him in a smaller tub, it seems like some of my males don't eat as much during breeding season, so I'll switch some of them into a smaller tub. I guess it gives them a little bit more security and the appetite picks up. Alright, I'll talk to y'all in a minute. See ya.